CBS 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Baugh Auto Body.
Good Thursday morning to you. This is our camera that's usually pointed off to the north and near Richmond International Airport, but we're kind of struggling to see some of the lights because of the fog that's out there. Visibilities have been dropping down to a half mile out at the airport because of this, the heavy rainfall that we received primarily yesterday. We picked up 1.1 inches at the airport to be exact. The heaviest rain fell just west of I-95, and that's where we're seeing some of the worst of the fog. But let me take you in tighter to the metro area. Most of us picked up about 3/4 of an inch to even an inch and a half. There were some pockets here, as you can see, into the red shades where we had closer to 2 inches of rainfall. So let's check where the storm system is now, because it's continuing to push off to the east. You can see the rapid clearing that happens behind it. So that has allowed for the fog to form and low clouds. So when we get closer to sunrise, you'll notice that low deck of cloud cover that's over us. The ceiling right now is at about 1,000 feet or lower. Let's check some of these pinpoint visibilities, because they have been dropping over the last hour or so. Farmville, your visibility down to 1/4 of a mile. That's serious. Charlottesville, same story. So if you commute on I-64 between Richmond and Charlottesville, you'll have a foggy drive. Temperatures into the 50s and the lower 60s for you, so that's cooler than where we were yesterday morning when it was so muggy and freakishly warm. Look at us. We're now about 10 to 20 degrees cooler across central Virginia right now compared to 24 hours ago. So this has been a big air mass change for us, drier. But we have the opportunity for a few showers from mid and late afternoon, because even though the surface features associated with that storm system are moving away from us out to sea, the upper level energy is still over us this afternoon, and that could squeeze out a few showers. Light and isolated though they may be, they'll be around. Highs for today, upper 60s, low to mid 70s. Friday and Saturday, both really pleasant days. They're almost carbon copies of each other, but we get another front on Saturday evening that will drop us about 10 degrees for Sunday. So Sunday turning cooler. Monday will be our coolest day through the weekend into the beginning of next week. And then we get another front on Tuesday with some showers, and that reinforces the cooler transition through the middle of next week. Rob, Reba?
All right, thanks, Carrie.